In this video, I'll explain how you can blur the face of the person in Photoshop. But before that, I will show you how you can blur the entire image. So to do that, just select the layer on which you want to apply the blur effect. And then what you have to do is go to the filter, then go to blur, and then click on Gaussian blur. And from here you can select the radius. So bigger the radius, that means the effect of blur will be more. You can see, and entire image is getting blurred. But most of the time what we want to do is we want to blur a specific part, for example face of this person in this case. So let us see how to do that. So for that you have to select this elliptical marquee tool or any other selection tool depending upon what part you want to blur. So I want to blur the face, that means I want to select elliptical marquee tool. Okay, so I'm just gonna select this one and then select this portion. Once the portion is selected, do the same thing, go to the filter, go to the blur, go to the Gaussian blur, and then just drag this one. So you can see the face of this person is getting blurred now. Okay, so that's how you can blur any part of the image in Photoshop. Thank you for watching.